Hello, let's talk about the effects of lithium in various salts. Starting with the sulfates. The sulfates of potassium, sodium, calcium, lithium, and magnesium are stable to heat and they do not decompose when heated. So while the other sulfates decompose to give oxide and the sulfur trioxide gas except the iron 3 sulfate which decomposes to give sulfur dioxide and the sulfur trioxide. Now the copper 2 sulfate give water crystals. Which of these copper 2 sulfate which has 5 water crystals are blue in color, but when they are heated they are dehydrated to form a white powder. As you can see there, the reaction after the heating, there is that dehydration gets to be a white powder and it releases carbon dioxide. It releases the water also. So that's how it is. Moving on, let's see the chlorides here. The chlorides here also, most of the metals they are hydrated except those of potassium, lead, mercury, and silver. Hydrated chlorides do not usually give the hydrous salt when heated. Instead, a chemical change termed as hydrolysis normally occurs, whereas the reaction is accompanied by the evolution of steam and the hydrogen chloride gas and the formation of basic chloride or oxide. So, for example, hydrated magnesium chloride is heated. Its basic chloride is formed, as you can see in the reaction. You see the effect on the carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. The carbonates of potassium and sodium are very stable to heat. They do not decompose even when they are heated to very high temperatures. All carbonates decompose when heated to give the oxide, the carbon dioxide, as you can see in the reaction, to give that an oxide example that uh, calcium carbonate when it's heated, we liberate calcium oxide plus a carbon dioxide gas. So there are very few in the exceptional carbonates that they do not behave like this. As the one above, ammonium carbonates, for example, they decompose readily with the when heated to give ammonia gas, water vapor, and the carbon dioxide gas. All hydrogen carbonates also decompose on heating to give carbonates, water vapor, and the carbon dioxide. As you can see the example, the sodium hydrogen carbonate, when it's heated, will liberate this sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is the effect on nitrates. When heated, potassium and the sodium nitrates decompose to give the nitrate and the oxide. As you can see in the equation, potassium nitrate when it's heated will liberate potassium nitrate plus the oxygen gas. Also, the nitrates for common heavy metals such as the lead, aluminum, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and copper decomposes on heating to give oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and the oxide. As you can see, example there, nitrate when it's decomposed, you will produce this lead oxide plus nitrogen gas plus oxygen. So also the nitrates of silver and the mercury are completely decomposed into metal, nitrogen dioxide, and the oxygen. As you can see, example there, silver nitrate will liberate silver plus this nitrogen gas and the oxygen, while the ammonia nitrate is decomposed by heat into the nitrogen oxide and the water, as you can see in the question. The last one which we're going to see the effect of heat on these hydroxides. Example, potassium and the sodium hydroxides they are very stable to heat, so they do not decompose even when they are heated strongly. While all other hydroxides decompose to give oxide and the water vapor. Example, calcium hydroxide, when it's heated, will liberate calcium oxide plus water. I hope it's clear. Thank you for listening.